Okay, it's speaking part two. So your topic is describe a rule that you don't like.
Um, Okay, well, obeying rules and regulations are very essential part of our life in order to keep our life in a prescribed manner. Currently, I'm doing a job in which there is a rule to not to wear a polo shirts, which I really don't like it. One of the biggest reason for not liking this rule is because I'm not doing a job. I'm not doing a white collar job in which I have to dress up formally and dress up like as I don't have any need to present myself in front of clients and visitors. I just need to communicate with them through emails, WeChat, and other social media apps to just to solve their queries. In view of that, my other group members and colleagues are also not like these these kind of rules because they are also wanted to what they want to wear. As in developed countries, all employees are allowed to wear what they want to wear, but in order to maintain the company's policies and their rules and
Okay, thank you.
regulations.
You're having some grammatical mistakes. You're using first form of the verb with is mr. So we can only do that. I mean, we don't use first form. We use third form when we make passive.
Passive voice,
Yes. So
yes.
this is what you need to focus. Otherwise, it's good, but this grammar thing is important.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
Why do schools make rules?
Well, in order to maintain the child's behavior with their surroundings, schools have to make rules and regulations for their upbringings, for their uh, in order to maintain their their behavior with others, so that they can keep themselves with prescribed manners in front of their parents, their siblings, and all that.
All
So it is
right.
very essential part of their
Good. Overall,
upbringing.
it's good. Language is good. Just focus grammar and don't use first form with is mr.
Okay, that's my mistake.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.